Express your dislikes clearly. Hobbies and Interests Edition. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be tackling an essential aspect of conversational English: expressing dislikes, specifically when discussing hobbies and interests. As always, our aim is to help you communicate more effectively, naturally, and confidently. So, let's dive in and discover how to use don't like and can't stand to convey your aversions. Before we delve into specific examples, let's clarify the difference between these two phrases. If you don't like something, it simply means you find it unpleasant or not enjoyable. However, when you can't stand something, you're expressing a stronger emotion. It means you strongly dislike something, to the point where it's almost unbearable. Remember, the choice between these phrases depends on the intensity of your dislike, so choose wisely. Now, let's see these phrases in action. Imagine a friend asks about your opinion on chess. If you don't find it enjoyable, you might say, "I don't like playing chess." But, if the thought of playing chess makes you bored to tears, you could use the stronger phrase, "I can't stand playing chess." Remember, the subject of your dislike, in this case, playing chess, can be swapped out for anything that fits the conversation. Now, let's apply this to interests. Suppose someone inquires about your thoughts on classical music. If it's just not your cup of tea, you could say, "I don't like listening to classical music." But if classical music really grates on your nerves, you might respond, "I can't stand listening to classical music." Again, the focus of your dislike, here, listening to classical music, can be replaced with any interest relevant to the discussion. It's not always about expressing your own dislikes. Sometimes, you may need to respond to others. For example, if someone says, "I love hiking, but you find it tedious," you could respond, "I don't like hiking, but I understand why some people enjoy it." If you find hiking utterly dreadful, you could say, "I can't stand hiking, but I'm glad you like it." These responses are polite yet honest, which is a crucial balance in effective communication. And there you have it. By using don't like and can't stand accurately, you can express your dislikes about hobbies and interests clearly and effectively. Remember, English is all about expressing yourself authentically. So, keep practicing, and soon, discussing your dislikes will be as easy as pie. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep tuning in for more language learning tips and tricks, and as always, happy learning!